How to make money in Forex automatically with Tegas FX Copy Trading as a beginner or novice. Tegas FX is a trusted Forex broker where you can make money by trading or through their partner program. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to start copy trading with Tegas FX. Step 1. Sign up with Tegas FX using the link in the description. Then, watch our tutorials on how to deposit and get instant funding. Step 2. Once your account is funded, go to the Tegas FX homepage. Click on Copy Trading, then select Signal Statistics. Here, you'll see the results of professional traders and the strategies they use. Choose the one that best fits your goals. If you'd like to know the exact strategy we use to get daily results, reach out to Wealth Builder Global Community if you signed up with link in description. Step 3. Go back to the homepage and click on Client Login. Step 4. On the new page, select Register as Follower. Step 5. Enter your MT5 account details. These will be sent to your email after instant funding. Step 6. Enter the password that was also sent to your email. Step 7. Now, select a provider based on your account size. The minimum balance and performance fee for each strategy is always displayed. Step 8. Click Register and sign in with your MT5 login details. Step 9. On the Copy Trading homepage, go to Portfolio. Select the strategy chose while signing up. Step 10. Scroll down and click Edit. Adjust the multiplier to 0.4 or higher, to control trade size and potential profit or loss. Then save your changes. Step 11. Click on Actions to activate or unsubscribe from a strategy. Once a strategy is activated, you'll receive daily trade reports. Or, log in with your MT5 account to check performance directly. Step 12. To add more strategies, log out first, then repeat the same process. Important note: trading in the Forex market involves risk. Always invest responsibly and only deposit money you can afford to lose. For more tutorials and opportunities, follow Wealth Builder Global Community.